This is tutorial number 34, and it covers how to apply a material to a part within Solidworks. To start off, let's open up Hinge 3, which is located on the DVD. Now, to apply a material to this part, let's right-click Material, click Edit Material, and now we're given a list of materials to choose from. Let's choose aluminum alloys, and click 2014 alloy. Click Accept, and now our part's made of 2014 alloy. As our part's made out of this material, it also has this material's characteristics. So when we're using an analysis tool on the part such as Cosmos Express, it will be using the characteristics of 2014 alloy applied to this part. Now if we want to get rid of the material on this part, let's right-click 2014 alloy, click Edit Material, and click Remove Material. Click Accept, and now the part doesn't have any specific material. Now there's also organic materials that we can choose from. So let's right-click Material, click Edit Material, and let's choose Wood, and let's choose Mahogany. Click Accept, and now our part is made out of mahogany, and it also has the characteristics of the wood. And this concludes our tutorial on how to apply a material to a part within Solidworks.